All right, so we're back to the Bodyguard. It's a 380. Like I said, there's a whole video on reviewing the gun itself, but today is something special because we're going to be reviewing these new sights I put on here, because the one gripe I had about the old sights were they suck. All right, so see you on the range. All right, so the Bodyguard 380, the stock sights, the rear one is like a U shape and the front one's just a standard sight. The problem I have with it is, how to explain this? There's too much light coming between the front sight and the rear sight, and to get it lined up, it's real tricky, okay? So our guys over at XS Sights made these, and they're really, really good, okay? They line up perfectly. There's not too much light in between, and they're nice and squared off, just like we're used to with all the guns in the world. Having squared off sights, having a U kind of throws you off. So today we're gonna shoot this thing, and I'll give you my honest opinion on it. All right, so let's talk about this real quick. The one thing I love about these sights from XS is they're easy to put in. If anyone's ever ordered sights from like another site or anywhere else, sometimes they require a little filing and stuff like that. These are already ready to go, okay? The back sight just taps right in with a brass punch. Front sight tapped right in, okay? The back sight has a little set screw, so once you get it where you want it, lock it down. Okay, it does come with red Loctite. I don't usually use Loctite, especially red, because I'm tinkering a lot. Use blue Loctite if you like to change things out, all right? So the front sight slid right in, perfect. The back sight slid right in, perfect. Lock it down and we're ready to go. What I did learn about this gun doing these sights is to take the back plate off this gun, to either clean the striker or replace the striker, you gotta take the sight off. I think that's ridiculous. Come on, Smith & Wesson, you're better than that, all right? So, we're gonna get to shooting this thing, and I'll tell you how I feel about it. All right, one other thing to talk about real quick is XS created that hard right angle like I like on the sights for racking the slide one-handed. You can do it in your belt, you can do it in your shoe, table, somebody's eye socket if you had to. I know it's pretty gruesome, but hey, it's there. All right, that's great. They sit a little higher so you get that positive rack, all right? Good to go, great job, guys. All right, so now we're going to shoot this thing. Not bad, good group, all dead center. Looks good, I like them. They line up real good. They're real natural pointing. They're real natural coming right out of the holster, and you can point them very naturally. They line up great. I gotta say, they're pretty good. The backs look like trinium, and the front has also a trinium insert. I want to say the retail on these is $109, $110, somewhere around there. I could be wrong, so if I'm wrong, hit me in the comments. Other than that, I gotta say they're great. They're easy to put in. They're not crazy expensive. They are trinium. They're squared off. They got that right angle. Good job, ace. Check them out, XS Sights. I think it's xssights.com. I will say XS Sights is hard to say, but I'm getting it down today because we're good, all right? Other than that, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the range. All right. He's like, oh, fuck. He didn't want nothing to do with that.